Okay, welcome back to Stringman Guitars. Here we are in the underground lair, and we have another Harley Benton. It's a beautiful guitar. It's got binding. It's got super nice fretwork. It still has those 12-to-1 tuners, which I just don't like. You can't get real accurate without doing a lot of futzing around. So basically what happened in this video is I had the video camera recording and I hit stop and thinking I turned it on, and I'm basically doing what I'm doing right now, telling you about the instrument and what all we're going to do to it. So it appears to be a fairly new instrument, and the string height needs to come down. The action needs to be set right. The relief is a bit too bananaed. We have to tighten that up and change out the strings. We're going from 10s to 11s, Ernie balls, and so while I thought I had the camera off and I was taking all the strings off and putting the new strings on, which you didn't need to see because check out any of my other videos and there it is. And just about there is where I start to describe what I'm doing. So this will be kind of a fast forward thing just to bring you up to speed. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and here's the Harley Benton SG copy. So one thing I always do is I go around and just snug up anything that needs snugged up. These tuning bushings, only one was tight, and I don't mean there's two that are tight. I don't mean tight, but you want them so that they are snug. You don't want them to rattle around and cause of noise while you're playing. So I'll go ahead and string these up. As you can see back here, we have our stop bar being held in by a high school eraser. That's the way we do it. So let me go ahead and string this. Be right back. Okay, we're all strung up. We had 11s on there, or 10s on there. Now there's 11s. So I'm going to let this sit and acclimate to the different string tension, and I have to run an errand. But yeah, that's where we're at. Let's see where we're at 5, and we're at just below 4. Anyhow, we're going to let it sit and acclimate, and then we'll come back and we'll tackle the lubing, the nut, can't talk. We'll double check the string height, pickup height, intonation, and that's the other thing. Check the back of the bridge and make sure no string is touching the back of the bridge here. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, boys and girls, we let our Harley Benton SG copy sit here and stew and adjust itself for the string change. Let's see where we're at tuning wise. Yeah, I gotta put some of the guitar grease on that nut. I don't like these tuners either. These, the ratio is too low. So let's check our relief after we've had a chance to acclimate. Body joint, 5/7 fret. We could stand to release that truss rod a little bit. Boy, that's nice and smooth. And it's a two-way truss rod on this, believe it or not. Tune it back to pitch. So let's see where we're at here. Body joint. 12 thousandths at the 7th fret. And that's beautiful. Okay, we're not going to mess with that. Let's see where our string height ended up. Take the capo off. Goofball. 5/64ths. And a hair under 4/64ths. So it's where it wants to be. Check our intonation. Flat. Means the saddle's going to move that way. I'll do that for 2 strings, and then I'll shut the camera off and finish it up. You don't want to watch me doing 6 strings worth of intonation. For crying out loud. I want my extension. there you have it. It is changed, and we had we have intonation on the E. I thought we had it on the A too, but I guess not. Got it? Got it? Just a little bit more on the E, or the G. G. B. E. Yay. Okay. So, what have we accomplished here? We've got the correct amount of string height at the first fret. We have 12 thousandths of relief at 7th. We have intonation at the 12th. Pickup height. All right. Pickup height. A little different than the other Harley Benton. That one was like deep into the cavity. I think this one will do it right here. Yep. Yeah, let's just go one a little bit more. All that done. This can come up. Come up a little more. Perfect. Get the skinnier one for the treble side. Definitely come up. Perfect. And that's got to come up. Perfect. Okay, pickup height set. Last but not least, got a big hunk of plastic in the pick guard. Get rid of that. There we go. Okay, now we're going to let it sit overnight. Make sure, oh, come on out of there. Make sure all of the, everything's settled where it's supposed to be. Double check everything and then get it out of my house. So Harley Benton SG copy. Hey man. It's been a tough few months here, a lot of months, and it looks like it's getting worse again. Take care of your neighbor, check on your neighbor, open the door for someone, say hi to a stranger, wear your mask, put a smiley face on your mask, whatever you got to do to get through this. And if you could subscribe, I would certainly appreciate it. And we have something new coming down the road that you'll all be excited to check out. So thank you very much. Check us out at Stringman Guitars on Facebook, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great one. Peace.